Most people who want to make money online make the same mistake. They try to do everything at once. They start a YouTube channel, build a store, post on social media, launch a course, all at the same time. And 6 weeks later, they've made $0 and burned out completely. So in this video, I'm going to show you a different approach. One income stream, one AI tool, one goal. Your first $500. Because here's what nobody tells you about passive income. The first $500 is the most important. Not because of the money, because it proves the system works. And once you've proven it works once, scaling it is just repeating the process. If I was starting from scratch today, no audience, no money, no experience, this is exactly what I'd do in the next 30 days. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pick one income stream and one AI tool. Not 5, not 3, 1. The income stream I'd pick is digital products. Here's why. A digital product costs nothing to create except time. You create it once and it sells forever. There's no inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. It's the purest form of passive income there is. And the AI tool I'd use to create it is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you go from a blank page to a finished product in a single weekend. We'll talk about exactly how in a minute. Now, here's the question everyone asks. What kind of digital product should I create? And the answer is simpler than you think. Create something that solves a specific problem for a specific person. That's it. The more specific, the better. Examples. A resume template for nurses changing careers. A 30-day meal plan for people who hate cooking. A social media content calendar for real estate agents. A beginner's guide to investing your first $1,000. Notice how each of those is specific. It's not a general guide about investing. It's for someone investing their first $1,000. Specific sells, generic doesn't. Step 2. Create your product in a weekend using ChatGPT. Here's the exact process. Open ChatGPT and start with this prompt. I want to create a digital guide for beginners that helps them invest their first $1,000. Help me outline a 10 to 15-page guide that covers everything they need to know to get from where they are now to their goal. ChatGPT will give you an outline. Then go section by section and prompt it to write each one. You're not copying it word for word, you're using it as a writing partner to speed up the process. Add your own voice, your own examples, your own perspective. Once the content is done, take it into Google Docs, clean it up, format it properly, and export it as a PDF. If you want it to look professional, take the PDF into Canva and use one of their document templates to make it visually polished. You don't need design skills. Just pick a clean template and drop your content in. That's your product. Done. Step 3. List it on Gumroad for $17 to $47. Gumroad is free to use. They take a small percentage of each sale. That's it. No monthly fees, no complicated setup. Go to gumroad.com, create a free account, click New Product, select eBook, upload your PDF, write a description that focuses on the outcome, not the features, set your price between $17 and $47, and publish it. Now you have a live product that can sell 24 hours a day. But a product with no traffic makes 0 sales. So let's fix that. Step 4. Drive traffic with one YouTube video. Here's the play. Create one YouTube video about the exact topic your product covers. If your product is a beginner's guide to investing your first $1,000, make a video called How to Invest Your First $1,000. Beginner's Guide. The video is free value. The product is the shortcut. And here's where AI makes this stupid easy. Use ChatGPT to help you write the script. Use 11 Labs to generate a professional voiceover. The starter plan is $6 a month. Use in-video AI to turn your script into a faceless video with stock footage. The Plus plan is $20 a month. Upload it to YouTube with a strong title, a clear description, and a link to your Gumroad product. That's it. One video driving traffic to one product. Now, I know what you're thinking. One video isn't going to make me $500. And you're right, it might not. But here's the math. If your product is $47 and you make 11 sales, that's $500. 11 people out of everyone who watches your video. That's not a big number. And the more videos you publish, the more traffic you get, the more sales you make. While you're at work, while you're sleeping, while you're living your life. That's passive income. Step 5. Reinvest your first $500 to scale. Once you hit $500, don't spend it. Reinvest it. Put it back into the system. Better tools, more videos, a second product, an email list. Every dollar you put back in at this stage multiplies faster than you think. The creators making $5,000 a month from passive income aren't doing something fundamentally different from what I just described. They're doing the same thing, at a bigger scale, with more products, more videos, and more traffic. That's it. So here's your action plan for the next 30 days. Week 1. Pick your topic and create your digital product with ChatGPT. Week 2. List it on Gumroad and write your YouTube script. Week 3. Record your voiceover in 11 labs, build your video in InVideo AI, and upload it. Week 4. Watch the traffic come in, optimize your title and thumbnail, and start planning product number 2. That's how you make your first $500 online using AI. One product, one video, 1 month. If you want the exact tools, templates, and step-by-step checklist I use to build passive income streams with AI, grab the AI Passive Income Blueprint in the description. It's $47, and it maps out the entire system for you. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I put out new AI passive income tutorials every week, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. I'll see you in the next one.